Okay, let's say that you have created a course and it's time to add some students to the course. Go to the course that you want to add students to. We'll open up this course right here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go over on the left and you're looking for people. You're going to click on people. Okay, and then what you're going to do is up here it says plus people. That means add people. And so you're going to click on add people. And this is, you can add them by login ID or email address, so you can use the Rockdale County email address. Now, if you're going to add a bunch of students, they all have the same, at students.rockdale K-12, etc. So if you wanted to, you could type that out somewhere, and then you could just simply copy and paste it, and then all you have to do is put your, 9J Smith, John Smith there, and then you can do your comma 9J Doe for John Doe, at students, etc., comma, space, and you just put in all the names, T, winter, at, whatever. And then, now, here's the thing, for all these names that you're going to put on, all these people, you have to decide whether you're going to make them students, which is probably what you're going to do, or you can actually give them other roles. If you were to make somebody a teacher, they would actually have the ability to do everything you can do, which is edit, create, export, all of that stuff. So you can also make people observer, where all they can do is really just look and they can't interact with the course itself. You can have a teaching assistant. In most cases, you're just going to make people students. If you have multiple sections, you can check this and basically say that those students can only send messages and interact with other students that are in that section. Then you're going to go to next, and we're going to add people. Now, of course, I made these up. That's why it says we were unable to find the matches below. They have to be people who are in the Rockdale County system, but that is, you would then go to next here, and it would show the people who were added, and then you would have them in the course. Now, if you're adding teachers or an administrator or something, it's going to send a message to them in their email and say, hey, you've been invited into a course, and then they have to accept to go into the course.